Africa is on the rise, with its food industry seeing exponential growth. Proper packaging not only preserves food, but also increases its market value and extends shelf life. In this video, we'll uncover how you can start a professional food processing packaging business in Africa, ensuring high standards, efficiency, and profitability. Importance of packaging in food processing. Types of packaging suited for solid, powder, and liquid products. Overview of machinery, costs, and raw material needs. Key strategies to grow and succeed in this business. Importance of packaging in food processing. Preserving food quality and preventing spoilage. Meeting health and safety standards, enhancing brand visibility and consumer trust, opportunities in Africa, growing demand for packaged goods, limited competition in high-quality packaging, increased export opportunities with proper packaging standards, types of products to package solid foods, chips, nuts, dried fruits, powdered foods, spices, flour, powdered milk, liquid foods, juice, oil, sauces, machines for solid products, vertical form fill-seal machine, VFFS. Automatically forms, fills, and seals pouches for snacks, grains, and dried fruits. Price range, $10,000 to $20,000, semi-automatic, $30,000 plus, fully automatic. Band sealers, seals pre-made pouches and bags. Price range, $500 to $2,000. Multi-head weighers, ensures accurate portioning. Price range, $8,000 to $15,000. Powder filling machines, used for spices and flours, ensuring precise measurements. Price range, $3,000 to $10,000. Screw auger filling machines, for high-speed packaging of powders. Price range, $5,000 to $15,000. Vacuum packaging machines, extends shelf life by removing air. Price range, $1,000 to $5,000. Machines for liquid products, liquid filling machines for juices, oils, and sauces. Available in single or multiple heads. Price range, $4,000 to $20,000. Capping machines for sealing bottles and jars. Price range, $3,000 to $10,000. Shrink wrapping machines, used for wrapping bottles and jars in plastic. Price range, $2,000 to $8,000. Packaging materials, solid products, polypropylene, PP, or laminated plastic. Powdered products, aluminum foil pouches, paper bags. Liquid products, glass or plastic bottles, Tetra Pak containers. Sources for raw materials. Local suppliers, support local industries. International suppliers, high-quality imports when necessary. Storage and quality control. Maintain dry, cool storage for raw materials. Regular quality checks to prevent contamination. Part 4. Setting up the business. 40 minutes. Choosing a location, accessibility to raw materials and markets. Availability of utilities like electricity and water. Compliance with local zoning and regulations. Staffing needs machine operators. Quality control specialists. Marketing and sales team. Cost breakdown. Startup costs. Machines, raw materials, factory setup. Operational costs. Wages, utilities, maintenance. Regulatory compliance. Obtain food safety certifications. Adhere to labeling requirements. Building your brand logo, packaging design, and brand story. Using eco-friendly and sustainable packaging to attract conscious consumers. Target markets. Local supermarkets, restaurants, and hotels. Export markets in Europe, Asia, and the Americas. Online marketing leveraging e-commerce platforms. Social media campaigns showcasing your products. Collaborations, partnering with farmers and suppliers for fresh produce. Offering co-packing services to small food businesses. Part 6. Case studies and success stories. 20 minutes. Share real-world examples of successful food packaging businesses in Africa. Highlight innovative packaging trends like biodegradable materials and smart packaging. Expanding product lines. Add new food categories, e.g., sauces, frozen foods. Investing in advanced machinery. Automation for higher production capacity. Exploring export opportunities. Meeting international packaging and labeling standards. Workflow for solid food packaging. Receiving and sorting. Demonstrate workers sorting raw materials like chips, grains, or nuts before packaging. Cleaning. Machines like air washers or vibrating sieves to remove dust or debris. Portioning and packaging. Use of multi-head weighers or manual scooping systems with automatic sealing machines. Workflow for powdered food packaging. Blending, mixing machines to ensure uniformity in spices or flours. Weighing and dispensing, screw auger fillers ensure accurate portions. Sealing and labeling, use of heat sealers and label printers for a professional finish. Workflow for liquid food packaging. Filling process, use of volumetric or gravity fillers for consistency in liquid. Cost projections, initial investment, land, building, and machinery. Operational costs, utilities, labor, raw materials, and maintenance. Marketing costs, branding, advertising, and distribution. Revenue streams, selling packaged food products directly to retailers. Offering packaging services to other food producers. Exporting value-added packaged foods. Profit margins, examples of cost versus selling price for products like chips, spices, and juice. Break-even analysis to determine how long it takes to recover investments. Accessing funding government grants and subsidies for manufacturing. Loans from local banks or microfinance institutions. Crowdfunding and investment partnerships. Importance of sustainability. Global demand for environmentally friendly packaging. Reducing waste and pollution in the production process. Eco-friendly packaging solutions. Use of biodegradable and compostable materials like paper or cornstarch-based plastics. Implementing reusable glass bottles for liquids. Energy efficiency in production. Solar-powered machines or energy-saving technologies to reduce electricity costs. Waste recycling within the factory. Community engagement. Collaborating with local suppliers to boost community economics. Educating the workforce about sustainable practices. Common challenges. High initial setup costs. Difficulty sourcing quality raw materials. Navigating regulatory requirements. Solutions. Start small with semi-automatic machines to manage costs. Build relationships with local farmers for reliable raw material supplies. Work with consultants or government agencies to meet standards. Dealing with market competition, focus on unique selling points, e.g., eco-friendly packaging, offer superior customer service, and build strong brand loyalty. Introducing smart packaging QR codes on packages for traceability. Temperature-sensitive labels for perishables. Digital integration using software to manage inventory and production. Online ordering systems for bulk buyers. Export opportunities, meeting standards for international markets, e.g. FDA in the US or EU certifications. Partnering with logistics companies for efficient shipping. Local marketing strategies, direct sales to supermarkets, convenience stores, and restaurants. Participation in food expos and trade fairs. Digital marketing strategies, creating engaging content on social media, listing on platforms like Jumia and African-specific e-commerce sites, building a network collaborating with local farmers and suppliers, partnering with wholesalers and distributors, customer retention loyalty programs for repeat buyers, feedback systems to continuously improve products. With determination, innovation, and the right strategies, you can make your mark in Africa's food processing and packaging industry. This business has the potential not just to generate profit, but also to transform communities and reduce food wastage. Subscribe for more business tips. Access free downloadable resources linked below. Join our online forum for African entrepreneurs. Goods like juice or oil, capping and sealing. Machines that securely cap bottles and perform tamper-proof sealing. Quality inspection, visual checks, or automated rejection systems for defects. A schematic of how a small, medium, and large facility might look. Key zones, raw material storage, production line, finished goods, Saint.